Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here, welcoming you to another Proto Tech Tip. And for this week, I want to show you how simple it is to switch between Silkscreen and digital print for your graphics inside Protocase Designer. So at Protocase, we have the capability to add graphics to your custom parts, panels, and enclosures within our fast lead time of 2 to 3 days. We provide two distinct methods to accomplish this: silkscreening and digital printing. Both processes handle labeling tasks such as identifying connectors, switches, ports, and functionalities like on and off. Plus, you can use either for branding and decoration, including using company logos and any other forms of artwork. One might make sense for your project over the other. On one hand, Silkscreen excels in producing durable and long-lasting graphics. This method is highly effective for bulk printing, making it an economical choice for larger volumes. Meanwhile, digital printing allows for intricate designs without compromising on detail. The ability to produce high-resolution images makes it an excellent choice for projects requiring complex graphics. Now, with our in-house design software, Protocase Designer, you can pick between silkscreen or digital print for your graphics. You're not sure how to do this? Well, no worries, I'm going to walk you through that right now. First things first, open Protocase Designer and pick the template that you want to work with. For this video, I'm going to go with a flat panel. Next, under Settings, click on Preferences. When the new window pops up, head over to the Editor Settings. Here, you'll find an option to pick your preferred graphics types from a drop-down menu. You can choose between ASC, silkscreen, and digital printing. Now, while the options of silkscreen and digital printing are pretty much self-explanatory, you might be curious about what ASC means. Well, essentially, this option is going to allow you to choose between silkscreen and digital printing at the point in time when you're first applying a graphic to a face in the 2D editor. Now, after selecting your preferred method, click on Save to apply the changes. Now, I will demonstrate what occurs when you add a graphic after choosing the ASC option. Begin by selecting the face that you want to add the graphic to. Once you've selected the face, click on Edit Face to open the face editor. So when you select graphic under Type, and if you chose the ASC option earlier, a pop-up will ask if you want silkscreen or digital printing for your graphic. The window also provides basic information about both processes, allowing you to make an informed decision on which one to proceed with. Additionally, you have the option to make a permanent selection by checking the Always Choose This box. If checked, the drop-down in the editor settings will automatically get updated. For example, if you choose silkscreen and check the box, you'll notice that in your preferences, your graphics type has automatically changed from ASC to silkscreen as the default selection. After choosing the method and adding the graphic, ensure that everything is aligned correctly. Use the tools within the face editor to adjust the position, the size, and the color of your graphic. Now, once you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Now, occasionally, you may decide to change the process that you initially selected. Fortunately, Protocase Designer makes this change simple and straightforward. When you have the Graphic tab open in the face editor, at the bottom of the software's window, you will notice that you have an option to select between the two graphic processes. When switching from digital print to silkscreen, colors are automatically adjusted to align with Protocase's standard silkscreen colors. Please note that in Protocase Designer, each face can have only one process selected. In other words, you cannot choose silkscreen for one graphic and digital print for another on the same face. All graphics on a single face must use the same process. And if budget is a priority, we do recommend sticking with one graphics process for the whole enclosure or panel in order to reduce those costs. Once you've made all of the changes that you want to make, click on Save, and your graphics will then show in the default 3D viewer. Now, should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team at info@protocasedesigner.com. We are more than happy to help you. Also, we offer a single-page cheat sheet to help you distinguish between silkscreening and digital printing, enabling you to make the best choice for your project. Check out the description below for the link to that download. Now, before I go, I want to remind you of the benefits of downloading and using Protocase Designer if you haven't already. Protocase Designer offers significant benefits by seamlessly integrating with our rapid custom manufacturing processes. Featuring over 80 built-in templates, real-time design checks, and instant quoting and ordering, it streamlines the design and ordering processes, saving you time and effort. Now to download the software, please head on over to protocasedesigner.com. And that's all I have for this week's Proto Tech Tip video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more future content. Take care, until next time.